live crypto market analysis and pre-trade. This morning we'll take a look first at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I'm actually already in a position right now. I took two positions here on the 15-minute chart. I took these positions a day and a half ago, following this sell-off here. These Camarilla pivots are from 2 days ago. This is the S3 level here that found support, and I was able to take an entry off of this support and have just been in this area of consolidation here since taking the trade. My target for this particular trade idea is this order block that's up here, trying to tap into this order block. What I'm seeing with Bitcoin is I'm short biased for the market right now, but I am anticipating buying to take prices into a selling range. Right now I think prices are a bit in between buying and selling. On today's Bitcoin Camarilla pivots, we're headed down, I think R3 or no S3. The S3 pivot is about here, so we can get some sell-off, some more selling in Bitcoin. I would anticipate a increase in price or buyers to come in to drive the price higher. So today I would anticipate selling into support and then buying taking place into Bitcoin. But since I trade on the larger time frames, some of this price action could take a while to transpire. So I would be looking over the course of the weekend, this long weekend, from the New York market. I would anticipate some consolidation or just general chop or trading in a range until volume comes in. So I would say potentially maybe Monday or early in the week, may be able to see price action up in this area where this order block is. And then I'll take profits up here. Based on the market structure, Bitcoin is still strong. This would be the here down here on the 4 hour. This would be the last strong low. This up here. Let's see. This is likely the last strong or weak high. Or potentially here. I'll have to go and actually look through this consolidation here, but this is certainly the last strong low. And we can see here that this has not been, there's been no market structure shift. So to me, Bitcoin still looks strong. Bitcoin, I would, my trade theory is that it'll come and test this order block. The order block may hold, the order block may fail, and price may continue to go higher without a market structure shift. I'm just seeing Bitcoin as a potential short-term long due to the fact that there's the crossover here of the 18 over the 9. So I'm short biased over a longer term, but for the short term, I would say it still has strength. I would just wait for it to have a market structure shift before I would take a trade short on it right now. But this, what I'm seeing with Bitcoin, potential sell-off to support, and then potentially price rising higher over the course of the weekend or early next week. Next up, we have LITECOIN. LITECOIN, I'm actually in it right now for a long. This is a short-term long right here. Again, off of a day and a half ago, off of this S3 support level for potential trade up here to this area. This is another order block that's sitting up here. So my overall idea for LITECOIN is a short trade. We can see here on the weekly chart having this, having the 18 EMA over the 9 here gives me my short bias. But in order to go short, sometimes you got to go sideways or you got to go up. So with this, in order to be in a good position to want to short LITECOIN, I'm going to want the price up here. So we can see that LITECOIN has been trading in a range here, similar to Bitcoin, different pattern, but similar price action, as in support off of the S3 level a day and a half ago, and mainly consolidation, but price has or buyers have been driving the price higher consistently, and we can see here on the 4 hour, this being the structurally, this being the last strong low down here. We have a market structure shift right here in this candle here, where there's a close below this strong low. So we're seeing this market structure shift. I would anticipate a pullback to where my order is up here to this order block. We'll come in and take a closer look at the order block. So I have this as my order block right here. So this is where I want to target my entry for my overall short trade idea. We'll pull up my overall short trade idea here on the weekly. So this is my limit order that I have in. So pretty lengthy trade here for some tapping into some liquidity at a lower level. So this is a longer trade idea, so it would take some time to transpire, but it would be a target of some liquidity that's down in this area here. This sell side liquidity here. I would have a larger institution targeting this. So it might be a bit of a stretch, a longer trade idea, but with the way that the market is trading lately, based on the Camarilla pivot numbers that I have, that would be my most likely, or at least that would be my preferred target. So we'll see how that goes. And next up we have CHAINLINK. CHAINLINK, we got setting up today. I've been considering taking a position in CHAINLINK. I've actually got an order out right now. I could have already entered this position for potential short. CHAINLINK I've got set up, or let's see, just overall here on the weekly short bias here with the 18 trading above the 9 exponential moving average. And then we can see here on the 4 hour from a structural perspective, this being the previous strong low, this being the week high, we can see here in this candle that we get a market structure shift here, and now we're experiencing this pullback or this retraction following the market structure shift. I've already taken a short position for the long term, or let's say for the near term, in this currency pair. Pull that order up here. So this is the trade that I currently have on, which would be a target of liquidity below this candle here. Right here. Targeting this liquidity down here. So there would be some sell side liquidity down here from anyone who went long in this area. So my target would be for there. And then this morning I've been looking at CHAINLINK for a potential short trade. This is actually up here near the R3 level. I'm looking for a short trade to the S3 level. I had an opportunity to take an entry here in this candle here that pulled back to test what I'm looking at here would be what I'm calling this an order block here. Trying to get the best entry. I had an entry set up here at like 665, which I would be in right now and be profitable in. But as far as in correlation of charts and trying to get more precise or consistent entries, I shifted down to the 1 minute chart and chose an order block entry based off of instead of based off of risk to reward, just based off of an opening of a bullish candle. Price action did not make it back to that level. I believe that level was 694. Yeah, it was 694, which is what I have it set for. This only made it up to 681. So the 665 level is the level that I had that would have given me the proper risk to reward for this trade idea. But I scratched it in order to test the 1 minute time frame theory. So I may have missed this opportunity for a short trade today or an intraday trade on CHAINLINK, but that remains to be seen over the course of the day, whether or not that entry will get tested or not. For now, I'll leave this entry up just in case price action still or just in case price action takes the price back up to that level to test or to retest this order block. But there's a fairly good chance that this has slipped away. But without having, let's say, a more precise way to gauge my entries, and usually right now I'm really trying to improve my trade entries and trying to do a better job of setting limit orders and having price come to me instead of chasing price with a lot of market orders. I think market orders certainly have their place and are extremely useful, but with my trading style, looking for precision setups or trying to only enter precision setups, limit orders seem to be psychologically, I would say, more helpful for my trading. So I want to give this a shot to see if there's enough consistency. I found with trading off the 4 hour, the 15-minute gives a really good response for these order blocks. So trading off of the 15-minute, ideally I want to see the correlation on the 1 minute time frame, similar to what I'm seeing with the 4 hour and the 15. But the only way to know if that's going to work or not is to actually start attempting it. So I've been mainly trading off the 4 hour, but the 4 hour is only going to give you so many looks in a particular week or over the course of weeks. Trying to do a better job of making the best use of trading in between the 4-hour setups by taking advantage of more intraday setups here on the 15-minute and using the 1 minute to gain better entries. But we'll keep an eye on this. It's still fairly early. There's 2 hours until what would be the open of the U.S. market. So I'll do my best not to get too excited about this potential trade idea or not just yet. And while we're at it, I'll take a quick look at the remainder of the positions that I'm in here this morning. So here's Cardano. Cardano I took at the same time as I took positions in Bitcoin and in Litecoin. So I took an entry here off of this S3 support level from a day and a half ago. And we can see here trading similarly in a range, but much lower in the range. So right now, Cardano is, from a pivot perspective, is kind of in the middle of nowhere. It's not really near support or resistance. So it's kind of just in a flat type of consolidation. It's even flattened out even more. But my entry has held up well enough so far, still above entry here. And we can see here on the 4-hour, this would have been the previous strong low. This would be the week high. We can see here in this area we're able to experience a market structure shift, and now just waiting for pullback into this area, and then my overall short idea, which we have this 18 over the 9 here on the weekly. So this is going to give me a short bias overall, and we'll have a look at my longer trade idea. Is for to tap into, or at least my trade idea is that a larger institution will want to tap into this liquidity down here, this sell side liquidity. But there's a consolidation of candles here, so it's difficult to tell exactly what liquidity or how much liquidity may be targeted here. And last up, we've got Dogecoin. Dogecoin was actually the only currency pair that set up ideally, or was an A+ setup based on some price action almost 2 weeks ago. So again, we've got the 18 EMA trading over the 9. So it's going to give me a short bias overall here on the 4-hour. Here on the 4-hour, this price action here that sold off about 2 weeks ago, this triggered basically this trade idea, or this short trade idea that I currently have, which led to this retracement. This was the big day here, I think the tariff day announcement. I did not take the retracement here. This is the first time I've been really trading off the 4-hour, but this would have been a nice trade to trade up into this short trade, but I missed that just due to just trying to focus on the trade that I was doing, not necessarily doing the best job of looking for, let's say, internal opportunities for the overall trade idea. But also I was unaware of the scale of this trade idea. But was able to take an entry with a stop up above here. Pull this up. So my stop is above this candle that is the high of this Fibonacci retracement here. And then yesterday I was able to take an entry after there was pullback to this order block here on the 15-minute. And we can see that my entry coincides with the open of this bearish order block here, which is similar to what I was mentioning on my short trade, my intraday short trade idea on CHAINLINK. Just trying to get a precision entry just for consistency, just knowing what I'm going to do or what position I want to be in, and being able to set limit orders to get ideal pricing. But I was able to get a limit order right at the order block here. We can see price action sold off pretty quickly, so a good reaction to that order block there, and into some more sell-off. And then for targets, my target is this liquidity area down here. Again, there's a consolidation down here of candles. That I would want to target. I would believe an institution would want to target some liquidity down here. So there's some sell side liquidity, so I'd want to target that. But this is what I'm seeing today in the market. So I would anticipate overall some selling and then potentially some buying to come in. This may happen over the course of the weekend or early in the week, but I would anticipate selling, then buying, and then probably by midweek or so start to sell off again. But we'll see how things go coming up.